Hey everyone, welcome to the Thank God It's Friday edition of our CPA News Update. I'm Bill Sheridan with the Maryland Association of CPAs and the Business Learning Institute. Here's what's happening today, Friday, February 5th, 2016. First up, the IRS's tax return e-filing system is back in operation. The system came back online Thursday afternoon, a day after a computer hardware failure knocked it out and also knocked out some other IRS systems as well. According to the IRS, taxpayers do not need to take any additional steps or action due to the outage. You can read more about that at the Journal of Accountancy's website. The IRS's new security measures this tax season to counter identity theft and tax fraud appear to be having little impact so far on criminals. That's according to a security expert who monitors the online chat rooms where fraudsters swap taxpayers' sensitive personal and financial information. Security Scorecard, a computer security service based in New York City, has detected a significant spike in chatter related to IRS tax fraud this tax season, just like in past years. You can read more about that at accountingtoday.com. Concerns are mounting among finance professionals at companies around the world about declining income in their businesses. The quarterly Global Economic Conditions Survey found by the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, and the Institute of Management Accountants, found that falling income is the biggest concern for global businesses. Nearly half of the businesses surveyed reported a decline in earnings in the fourth quarter of 2015. The survey of more than 2,500 finance professionals and more than 200 CFOs around the world also shows that business confidence has hit rock bottom. 44% of the survey respondents were less confident than 3 months earlier. AccountingToday.com has all the details on that. The American Institute of CPAs has released Statement on Auditing Standards number 131, which clarifies requirements applicable to audits performed in accordance with auditing standards issued by the Public Company Accounting Standards Board. The Public Company Accounting Oversight Board, and that's for entities that are outside the formal jurisdiction of the PCAOB. Edith Orenstein provides further details on our blog, cpasuccess.com. The IRS has issued the 2016 inflation-adjusted amounts for the maximum vehicle values for purposes of determining the amount that is included in employees' income for personal use of an employer-provided vehicle. The limits for passenger vehicles are lower in 2016 than they were in 2015, but the values of vans and trucks increased slightly. You can find more details on the Journal of Accountancy's website. According to a year-long investigation, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission violated a government accounting law by understating its leasing liabilities. The finding by the Government Accountability Office follows a Reuters report last month that KPMG found a material accounting error that led the auditor to withdraw financial opinions on the derivatives regulator. Read more at Reuters.com. Finally, the House of Representatives sent a strong signal this week to federal financial regulators that lawmakers would like to see more investors qualify to buy unregistered securities. The House approved legislation that would expand the definition of an accredited investor. Under current rules, a person must have a net worth of $1 million, not including the value of a home, or make $200,000 or more annually. The legislation would allow anyone who has a securities license or who has professional knowledge and experience related to a specific security to participate in private placements. Get details at investmentnews.com. And once more, be sure to join us on March 23rd for a special business and industry edition of Tom Hood's ever-popular professional issues update. The event will feature new updates on financial standards, the state of the industry, new innovative ideas, and a special update on the future of the finance and accounting professional. It'll be held from 8:30 a.m. to noon at Johns Hopkins University in Montgomery. It's free for members and worth 4 hours of CPE. Get details and register at macpa.org. And one more thing before you go, I mentioned this yesterday, but if you're watching on Periscope and you like these daily news updates, and I hope you do me a favor, tap that little icon down in the lower right-hand corner that looks like a person, and then share this broadcast with your followers. We'd love to build a bit of a wider following and help inform people from around the profession about what's going on every day. So do us that favor and help spread the news and help us grow. That would be great. That's a wrap for today. Have a great weekend, everyone. I will see you on Monday. Take care.